After seeing great success from last year's annual Atlanta Fine Art Print Fair, both in Atlanta and DC, Black Art in America is proud to kick off Black History Month by taking the Fine Art Print Fair to Houston, Texas. Presenting both the Fine Art Print Fair with a special selection of works on paper, as well as the landscapes for Richard Mayhew show, Baia is excited to partner with the Houston Museum of African American Culture this February 1st through 2nd. Baia boasts the first and only U.S. print fair dedicated to showcasing over 100 contemporary and legacy African American printmakers, providing a much-needed platform for talent that has historically been underrepresented in the fine art world. The fair will showcase a curated selection of works by nationally renowned and award-winning printmakers such as Elizabeth Catlett, John Biggers, Lou Stovall, James Wells, Sam Gilliam, David Driscoll, Ed McClooney, Tracy Mims, Jamaal Barber, Steve Prince, as well as Charlie Palmer, Freddie Styles, and Lillian Blades. The weekend will also include artist demonstrations from Jamaal Barber, offering the unique chance to peer into the creative process of printmaking and gain a better understanding as to why printmaking is the only art form that allows the creation of multiple originals. These demos offer an exclusive opportunity to see a master at work, with a rare glimpse into the creative process of one of the most celebrated printmakers of his generation. Valerie Cooper, an esteemed art appraiser and founding owner of Picture That Consultants, with over 22 years of experience in art collection management, appraisals, and curatorial services, will also present the lecture, Prints as an Asset, HBCUs and corporations' art collections as a case study, offering an inside look into what artists and prints are in some of the most important HBCU and corporate collections and how their market value has evolved over the years. Valerie Cooper and Jamaal Barber will also moderate a panel discussion featuring contemporary collectors and their journeys. This exclusive collectors talk will delve into the beauty, history, and investment potential of fine art prints, offering a unique opportunity to deepen your understanding of this timeless art form while also evaluating the role of printmaking in art history, its cultural significance, and how prints have evolved into a valuable asset class for both seasoned and emerging collectors. Join us for the Black Art in America Fine Art Print Fair and Works on Paper Show at the Houston Museum of African American Culture, February 1st through 2nd. This event is free and open to the public. A portion of art sales will support the Baia Foundation's public programming and community engagement. The Baia Foundation is dedicated to facilitating the growth of artists while cultivating relationships and opportunities that bring Black artists and communities together.